Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Motorola G85 Android phone, and in this video I'll be showing you how to change the wallpapers. So if you've just got this phone, you're probably wondering how to change the wallpapers. Okay, so it's actually real simple to do once you know how. So there's actually two ways to do this. The first way, the easiest way, is to long press on the home screen, and here you will see wallpapers. Select it. And now it brings you into the wallpaper section. And here there's just a bunch of different options that you can do. You can customize the wallpapers and everything, people. Okay, so as you can see, it says lock screen and also home screen. And you can see the wallpapers for both the lock screen and the home screen. So these are the wallpapers that you've currently got applied to the phone. So here we have My Photos, Dynamic and Curated Images. So if you select My Photos, it will bring you into your photo gallery where you have screenshots saved and also your pictures. And you can save any one of your pictures or screenshots as your lock screen or home screen wallpaper. So for example, if I choose this picture here, it now brings up these options down below. So there's animate, and here if I select zoom, as you can see, it zooms in and it zooms back out. If I select sway and then I hold the phone and tilt it from left to right, I'm not sure if you can see that on the camera, but it does move from left to right. Okay, next we have this ripple option, which gives the wallpaper a nice ripple effect. And then next we have snow. Don't know if you can see, but the snow is falling on the background there, on the wallpaper. It's not really showing on the camera for some reason. I don't know if it's because the wallpaper has a dark black background. That's probably why it's not picking up, but it is snowing on the wallpaper. And then next we have rain. Okay, that's better. You can see the rain now falling on the wallpaper. Yeah. So next we have AI zoom. And as you can see, it zooms in. So, you know, it just gives the wallpaper some nice animated effects. And here we have stylize. I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Anyway, there's some options here that you can have fun with. These kind of give like a little filter effect to the wallpapers. I'm not going to go through them all, but yeah, just select the ones you want to use and just select set, and it will be applied to either your lock screen or your home screen. Okay, so beneath My Photos we have dynamic, and here there's loads of different dynamic wallpapers. These are pretty much live wallpapers that you can download from the internet. So just scroll through and choose the one you want to use. So let me just download this one. Okay, so it's finished downloading. Any of these dynamic wallpapers, once you finish downloading them, they will be stored up here at the top where it says My Wallpapers. So I'm just going to select that wallpaper I've just downloaded, the shark, and then select Set Wallpaper. And then you have the option to set it to home screen or both home screen and lock screen. Okay, wallpaper has been applied. So like I said, it's pretty much a live wallpaper, and it's been applied to the home screen and also the lock screen. So as you can see, the little fishes are swimming around. We've got the shark there. Okay, so let's go back into wallpapers. Dynamic. Let's take a look at another dynamic wallpaper. So let's download this one. Okay. And to be honest, these wallpapers download really quick, as you can see. And the quality of these wallpapers are nice, very colourful, very vibrant. And as you can see, the little ladybird there is moving around on the leaves. Got a little droplet of water there falling off of a leaf. Okay, so let's go back into wallpapers. Okay, so we have the option here, customizable and standard. And then here we have curated images. Let me just go back to the original. Hold on. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to the original wallpapers. Okay, so yeah, we have curated images. And here, you can choose any of these options here to match the color of your wallpapers. And if you select the three little pins there, we have a few more colors, and you can also turn on the dark theme as well. And where it says wallpaper colors beside it, it says other colors as well. So choose any color for your icons, clock, and more. And like I said, you can turn on the dark theme as well. So yeah, I think I've covered everything. So yeah, this is how you actually change the wallpapers and customize the wallpapers on the Motorola G85 Android phone. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.